Here's a really important furniture flipping tip. And this one's all about painting. I see so many people flipping whole units of furniture in one day. There is no way that that paint is properly dried. Now, I know it says on the tin that you can leave it for 2 hours and then apply a second coat, but you really want it to cure. You want to be able to scratch that thing and no paint come off. And that doesn't happen unless you've let it dry for at least a week. If I only let something dry for 2 hours, I can come along with my fingernail and scratch it off. Even with really good prep of the surface underneath, if you don't give it time to thoroughly dry, then you're going to have a problem later on. So for longevity of every product, please make sure that you let it cure properly. I know this slows down production process, but it is the best process for your goods and therefore your customer service.